Good morning, all of you. So, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are the compounds in which one or more COOH group is present. So, there are some chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. So, some laboratory tests are there. We can take test in laboratory. Well-known example is acetic acid, which is carboxylic acid. So, litmus paper test. We know that carboxylic acid is weak acidic in nature. So, if aqueous solution of acetic acid is prepared, then blue litmus paper, which is weighted by water, is dipped in that acetic acid solution. Then it will turn into red. So, blue litmus turns into red. So, that solution is acidic in nature. So, here acetic acid is acidic in nature. So, carboxylic acid is weak acid. Then, sodium bicarbonate test. Sodium bicarbonate, which is known as baking soda. So, here carboxylic acid, whose aqueous solution, react with sodium bicarbonate solution. Then some effervescences are removed from that mixture, so that effervescences are of carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide and some water vapors are removed from that mixture. So here sodium carboxylate is obtained, which can be further react with hydrochloric acid. Then that carboxylic acid will react here. Then ester test. It is well-known test of carboxylic acid. When carboxylic acid react with alcohol, then ester is obtained. So here, when acetic acid react with ethanol to form ethyl acetate, this ethyl group is replaced by hydrogen. So ethyl acetate will obtain. Then some reactions of carboxylic acid with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride and thiamine chloride. This type of reactions are learned in 2 chapters before these reactions. So we have learned in halogen derivatives, then in preparation, then in alcohol also. So here carboxylic acid react with phosphorus trichloride. Here phosphorus trichloride, 3 atoms of chlorines are present. So that's why here 3 carboxylic groups are taken. So it will produce thrice acyl chloride. 3 chlorines are there. So and side product is POH by 3, phosphorus hydroxide. Then carboxylic acid react with phosphorus trichloride. So here also acyl chloride is obtained. 1 molecule of acyl chloride. Then side product is POCl3. 1 phosphorus is present and 3 chlorine atoms out of 5 they are taken here to form POCl3. 1 oxygen atom is in acyl chloride and 1 is in POCl3. Then 1 chlorine remain and 1 hydrogen. So that will produce hydrogen chloride gas. Then another reaction is carboxylic acid react with thiamine chloride to form acyl chloride. So here carboxylic group is converted into acyl chloride with evolution of sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride gas. Then reaction with ammonia. So here carboxylic acid react with ammonia to form ammonium carboxylate. Carboxylic acid is weak acid and ammonia is basic in nature, weak base. So here ammonium carboxylate is obtained, which on dehydration will produce acid amide, RCONH2. So here from this NH4, these 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, it will produce H2. So RCONH2 is remain. So it is acid amide. Then another method of preparation of acid amide is from acyl chloride. This acyl chloride will react with ammonia to form acid amide. So here acyl group is converted into amide. Then formation of acid anhydride. Anhydride means the compound in which water molecule is absent. So here two molecules of carboxylic acid when heated with phosphorus pentoxide to form acid anhydride. So here example is taken, two molecules of acidic anhydride, they are heated with phosphorus pentoxide. Then water molecule is removed from this to acidic acid, here hydrogen and here OH. So removal of H2O. So anhydride is formed. So CH3COO-COCH3, which is acidic anhydride. Then another method is from sodium carboxylate and acyl chloride. Here also acid anhydride is obtained. Then decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. So here sodium carboxylate and sodium hydroxide, they are heated with calcium oxide to form alkane. So here sodium acetate when heated with sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide to produce methane. So methane gas is obtained. And one more reaction, that is reduction. Here lithium aluminium hydride is used as a strong reducing agent that react with carboxylic acid to form primary alcohol. So here lithium aluminium hydride that will produce hydrogen, and here carboxylic group is converted into primary alcohol. So in this way there are some reactions of carboxylic acid. Thank you.